Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. Almost 4 months ago, I shared this idea at the Patreon when I told you guys that the price action of Bitcoin Cash has formed a very big bullish butterfly move on the weekly time frame chart. And I also shared a video as well with you guys when I told you guys that the world will watch this powerful bullish move of Bitcoin Cash. And first, let me show you this move, then I'll just move to the current move of the Bitcoin Cash and show you how it has formed another big bullish harmonic shark move and how it can be turned bullish from this potential reversals on and how much it can be a big move this time. Now, first of all, I want to show you this chart that I shared at the Patreon. And by the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And I'm also posting the different trading ideas there on the daily basis. Okay, this was the bullish butterfly move that I shared in that article. That was a detailed article that I shared. And I've shown you in my previous video as well that the price action has formed this butterfly, and it has also found a support. Even though this potential reversal zone was very big, but the price line found very good support here. And you can see that I have also placed this trend line here to show you this support. Therefore, this was the right time to buy the Bitcoin Cash, as I have already mentioned in my previous video and in this article as well. And now I'm just going to play this chart. You can see that the price line was at that time, while the price of Bitcoin Cash was 0.011. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied to the upside and rallied up to 0.0287 BTC. So it was moved against the Bitcoin more than 150%, and against the US dollar that was more than 300% move. Now I want to show you another bullish setup that the Bitcoin Cash has again completed, and this time it can be another powerful bullish move like we had previously. We can see that on the daily time frame chart, after this drop, the price action has started moving in this falling wedge pattern. And as you know that among the traders community, this pattern is considered as a bullish reversal pattern, and most of the times the price action breaks out the resistance of this pattern. And we can see at this time the price action is trying to break out this resistance. This candlestick, this bearish candlestick, you can see the half of body of this candlestick is above this resistance and half of the body is below the resistance level. Therefore, if we will have the closing above this level, then there will be strong chances. However, if it will be rejected, then we can expect another move to the downside to this support. And in this situation, if the price action will be moved down to retest the support of this falling wedge, then we can have another chance to buy it from this dip, because you can see that it has completed on the 4-day chart. It has completed this bullish shark pattern. Here the price line dropped up to you can watch the lowest price here. I'm just placing my mouse here, and you can see that we had a spike up to $490, and on this candlestick we had more lower spike that was $468, and the price action reversed bullish, and at this time it is moving sideways and having very nice support of 50 simple moving average as well. So once the price line will be moved down to retest this support of the falling wedge, then we can have another chance to catch it from this buying zone. And we also have this 100 simple moving average in this buying zone again. This buying zone starts from $530 and ends up to $340. However, we can expect that the price action will not break down this 100 simple moving average, and the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark can be $789 to $1,265. However, I'm expecting bigger targets because it has also formed this broadening formation on the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that the price action at this time is at the support of this broadening formation, and whenever it is getting bounced by this support, it is forming the higher highs. Therefore, once the price action will be bounced from here, we can expect another higher high. Now, for example, if the price action will be moved down to retest this support of the falling wedge that has been formed on this daily time frame chart, in that situation on the weekly time frame chart, that will be only a spike like we previously had here. When the price action, you can see it had a long spike here and here as well, and on the weekly time frame chart you can see that we had these spikes and the price action was not able to break down this support of this broadening formation. This is really very strong support, and you can see that it is moving to the upside, and the price action is also using this support very well and forming the higher highs. Therefore, we can expect that the price action, we will have another chance to catch it from this buying zone. However, the price line will not move down to break down this support of this broadening formation, because if it will be broken down, that will be a drastic situation. This is a long-term a market structure for the Bitcoin Cash. In that situation, we can consider that our stop loss has been triggered, and for the safer side, we can take exit from the market. But the structure is very strong, and we can see that we have another harmonic move. Like previously we had the bullish butterfly, this time we have the bullish shark move, and we also have very nice support of an uptrend line as well, and the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart that is already considered as a bullish reversal harmonic move. Therefore, on the long term, we can expect that the price action will not even hit these sell targets. It can also move up to form another higher high. For example, if the price action will be moved up in the same angle like it was moved before, I'm just selecting this ghost feed to show you what the price action can do next to predict, and from this low to this high. And if we place this ghost feed here, and it will hit the resistance of this broadening formation as well. For example, it can be extended up to here. Now we can see, I'm just going to place this measurement tool from here up to this level. Then we can see that can be approximately up to $2,250. That will be more than 280% bullish rally if the price action will be moved up in the same angle. And while moving up, it will hit the resistance here. So it can be another really very big move. And we have so many bullish reversal setups on the daily time frame chart, on the 4-day chart, and on the weekly time frame chart as well. Therefore, I'm expecting that once the price action will be turned bullish from here, we can expect another very big move like we had previously I shared with you. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.